Serving your country comes with sacrifices, but saving money on entertainment shouldn't be one of them. Let's get you that YouTube TV military discount. First things first, this discount is exclusively for active duty, veterans, and immediate family members who are Google Pay users. If you meet that criteria, head over to the YouTube TV website. Once there, look for the settings option, typically found by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Now, within the settings menu, locate the membership or billing section and scroll until you see something about military discount or promotions. It might be subtly placed, so keep an eye out. Clicking on that will redirect you to a verification process, often through a third-party service like IDM or Shirid. You'll need to provide documentation to prove your military status or family affiliation. Common documents include ADD 214, military ID, or other official paperwork. Once verified, the discount will automatically be applied to your YouTube TV subscription. Be sure to double-check your next bill to confirm. Congratulations! You're now enjoying YouTube TV with a well-deserved military discount. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-saving tips and share this with your fellow service members.